Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of Kavyansh. So yes, was the very most awaited video of World of Kavyansh because Kavyansh has been gone to class 3rd, but yes, last year he was in Mount Litera Jabalpur, but today we have got it admitted to Mount Litera Zee School Lucknow because his father has got transferred here, so we have just shifted our branch of Mount Litera. So today we are giving a vlog of unboxing of Mount Litera Zee School class 3 kit unboxing. First of all, we show you the notebooks. We have got so many notebooks. There are total 28 notebooks. See, this is the Hindi notebook and these are all the notebooks from the school itself. See, this is the bunch of notebooks which he has got for Hindi. Next one is the drawing notebook. He has got 3. Next one is we have got 4 maths notebooks, square notebooks. See, you can have a look. See, this is the square notebook. We have got total 4 square notebooks. These are all from the Mount Litera itself. Mount Litera has been printed in the cover page. Next, we have got 2 4-line notebooks. See, these are 4-line notebooks as you can see. So these are total 28 notebooks which he has got from the school for his academic section for grade 3. Now this is a bunch of books which he has got, so we'll just unbox this now. Unbox the kit. So he is just trying to get the books kit unboxed. It's very heavy, so you can have a look. It's written Litera Nova. See, you can just see it's written Litera Nova and this is for MLZS grade 3. So we'll just open it up. See, you can have a look. First one is this is the diary of school. You can see this is the diary of Mount Litera Zee School. There are total 160 plus branches of Mount Litera Zee School all over India. So you can see, and all these branches just follow the rules of Zee Learn only. So you can see this is the brochure. I think this is the profile. Yes, it's a welcome profile like for the Zee School, Mount Litera Zee School family. So you can have a look. Next one, I think this is the activity kit. Kavyan, show. This is the activity kit, right? Next, again, I think this is the activity kit. Just keep it there. Keep it there. No, keep all these things there. Keep it here. This is the puzzle. Do it yourself kit for grade 3 puzzle, home around us, right? Next, again, this is for grade 3. This is even a kit. And this is do it yourself magnet car instruction manual, right? Next, starting up, one more thing is there. Mind Sparkle box. I think these are the flashcards, right? These are the flashcards. As you can see, these are the flashcards. Yes, this is the box of flashcards. Yes, Mind Sparkle box, Litera Nova. So this is the NCERT book for English. This is Santur, right? This is NCERT book for English. Next one is Hindi. It's Hindi Veera. This is even the NCERT book for class 3. Next is Artistic Horizon. I think this is the drawing book. Just open it up, Kavyansh. Yes, this is the art and craft and the drawing notebook. Yes. Next one is the Tech Trio, which is the IT or the computer notebook. Sorry. These all are books from the Zee Learn only. Yes, this is tech notebook. This is the computer book. Next, these are the LRs. Next one is the linguistic landscape. thing, this is the English LR type. Last time we are having the LRs. These are the workbooks. Show it this way, Kavyansh. This way. You can see this is the book from the Zealand. Yes, this is the English book. Next one is the Linguistic Landscape Part B. The English book only of Part B. Next is the Grammar Spark. This is the English grammar book. This is the English grammar book. Show the first page. Yes, this is the English grammar book. Next is Eco Explorer. This is the EVS book. This is the EVS book. Show this way, beta. Show this way. This is the EVS book. This is the Part A. And the next one is the Part B EVS book. This time the kit has been changed and it's been named Litera Nova. This is Part B of EVS book. Next is Hindi Ka Safar. Hindi Ka Safar Bhag 1. This is even the workbook type. And these are all based on the NCERT itself. And this is Bhag 2 of this. Every book, basically workbooks are just in 2 parts, Bhag 2. Next is Vyakran Sati. This is Hindi Vyakran book. This is Hindi Vyakran book. Yes. As you can see, this is Hindi Vyakran book. Next is Maths Exploration Part A. This is the Maths workbook for Part A. See, this is Part A. And the next one is Part B. This is Part B for the Maths notebook. Next one is the Bridge module. Bridge module for class 3. Yes. Yes. What's next, Kavyansh? What's left next? These are the name slips which we have got. See, you can see there are lots of name slips for books and notebooks to be pasted, and these are all of for, it's written Mount Litera Zee School. Yes, as you can see there are lots many name slips. Seems very nice, and it's written Mount Litera Zee School, Lucknow. And the last one which is there is the monogram of the school, Mount Litera Zee School. These are the monograms. So, and one more thing, I have got the brochure of the school. I'll just show it to you. I've got the brochure of the school because admission has not been done for the first time, as we have got the transferred here, but rest all the formalities I have to get it done. So this is the brochure of Mount Litera Zee School. So if you like this video and the admission from the Mount Litera Zee School, so if you like this video of unboxing of Mount Litera Zee School books and notebooks, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos. And now we'll be sharing the Mount Litera Zee School experience very soon. Thank you so much. So now you can see these are the some pictures of the kids, of the books and the kids which were there in the Nova Litera. These are the pics of the books. So you can have a look of all these in a proper way. So you can just go ahead for this.